Hey Crusaders, this is Daniel with Universal Combat and Survival. I have a few things I gotta say to you guys. I'm gonna start off with the gear. Right now we have clothing attire that you can purchase from us. Um, Basically, we have sweaters, we have hoodies, we have sweats, and there will be more attire coming soon. We have several different colors and several different types of hoodies and sweats and whatnot. If you contact us, we'll be able to take care of you right away, immediately. The way you will have to contact us will be through email. So you'll do Universal Combat and Survival at gmail.com, and yeah, we'll be able to accommodate you. Excuse me. Um, So another thing that we do have and we can offer is classes. We also have classes that you can take, personal classes with Rock. You can also take personal classes with Julian, and take personal classes with me. Um, we will soon be having other instructors taking getting their belts, and you'll also be able to, take classes with them. But please, again, shoot us a email at Universal Combat and Survival at gmail.com, and we'll be able to accommodate you and take care of you in that fashion as well. Also, the $25 giveaway is still in the works, still there, ready for anybody to capitalize on it. All you have to do is get 25 subscribers, show us by picture or video um, that you got them all in, and yeah, and we'll be giving you $25 via money transfer via any of the available transfer ways that you may have, meaning you may have Venmo, you may have Zelle, you may have Cash App, even Messenger does it as well. So whatever it is that you have, feel free to try it out. If you are under 18 years old, you'll have to talk to a parent or guardian, and they'll have to, have to contact us, and we'll be able to do that for you as well. Without further ado, uh, actually, I have one more thing that I want to say. Universal. So when it comes, when 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 you're fighting, um, most people think, there's one martial art, and then there's another martial art, and there's another martial art. And I touched on this on the last video, but I want you to understand that universal means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. And Rock talks about it in this one, and he's talking about a specific thing. And I want you to understand that, the art is universal. The art that we're teaching is the universal art of combat. And like you said, you can start off going through Wing Chun and then end up boxing and then end up, Salat. And you can end up in so many different ways, in so many different variables, so many different situations, call for so many different techniques. And so there's always, I believe that you want to have more in your arsenal than less. You want to have stuff that you may not even need, but you never know. You may need it. So if, for example, you know, um, there's that transition of Taekwondo where they chamber the punch here, and then they pull it out. That can be done. But I wouldn't chamber it and do it, but I would definitely throw out a jab and then do that whole thing, because I am now switching from one stance to the next in throwing it. And so, there's ways of doing certain techniques, and certain stuff that may work. Sometimes you have to tweak it to the situation. You have to tweak it to your body type, yourself, who you are as a person, and how your style is. So, this art that we're giving you is universal. Everything is all in one, and that's how it used to be. It used to be all lumped together into one art, to one fighting combat. Now it's more, you know, split into sections, into different, tribes, or into different cultures and stuff like that. And so, one culture fights this way, another culture fights that way, or another set of people fight this way, another set of people fight that way. But what we're trying to do and what we're trying to give is all in one, and something that works all in one, that will definitely save your life or save someone else's life if you're out there in the streets, and also help you to win in a ring atmosphere. And, if you're a fighter and you're trying to fight in the ring, we want to give you that as well. We want to be able to accommodate the ring fighter, because not everything you do in the ring will necessarily work out in the street. Not everything you do in the street will necessarily work out, uh, you know, in the ring. So, because, like I think we said this in the first video, I can low blow you all day in the streets, but I can't do that in a boxing match, and I can't do that in an MMA match, you know. So there's certain things that, call for, like I said, situation. But without further ado, this time for real, let's get into the last video. This is the finale. All right, at least the finale for this season. Catch y'all guys later. Oh, stay strong, stay smart, stay spiritual. Don't forget to train, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Universal. The systems are universal. You can take any system you want and put it together with something else. Say for instance, right? There's a punch. Here, hook, uppercut. This Wing Chun going into boxing. Okay, now we might go into Salat, right? Salat, right? From Salat, why don't I just come and go into Jiu-Jitsu, right? Move, over, bro.
Come on, Jules, get out. Move the structures. You already know.
See, go into the Kimura. Let's see if he remembers. What do you do? Okay, what do you do? Break the grip. Why? Okay, cool, break the grip. What's the problem with this, guys? That's the problem, you see? Look, this is the problem here. What did I say earlier?
He's straight.
Man, because look, I just broke your lock. Know what I'm going to do?
Going straight.
I come give you one of these first. Then I'm coming low and I'm going to give you one of these. Right? Look, hey, headbutt. Elbow to the groin. Come back over real quick. Universal. He's here. Do you want to come up? Yeah. Come up. Go up. Right? Why you go up? No. Don't go up unless you have the submission. Come up. Can you come up and submit high? Let me show you something. Come over. You got the advantage. Yes or no? Take it. Why? Why? Again. This is a fight. This is a fight. So now, look. Come back. How long did it take you? 7 seconds, maybe. I distance you. Do it back to me. Okay. Do it. No. Come do that again. Okay. We got problems over here. You're thinking ring. You think street. Yeah. What should you do? Trap my hands. Strike. Right. Don't come up. There you go. Strike. Yeah. No. There we go. Gotcha. Try about you trap both hands. Right. Cross it. Push me over this way. Good. Strike. Trap it. There you go. You see how that works a lot easier? Yeah, it works a lot easier. Because now I'm not defending against the ground attack.
No resistance. On the biting, yeah.
Right? Now I'm trying to worry. I'm worried about the strikes. Worry about the, he's sending strikes. He's playing a mental game. So he sends the strikes. Now come back over. Closer here. Hey man, handle me! Get off me! So, I'm here. Trap hands.
Trap hands.
Palm strike.
Palm strike.
Bang, bang. Now roll.
Roll.
Look.
Where you overs. Right.
Rolling punches.
Okay. Go.
Okay.
Alright. The problem with you coming up another thing. Problem with you come up.
Uh-huh.
Come up.
Right.
Now come up.
Come
Like you like remember how you lift up again? I can push you over. Another thing is why you're here.
Right.
You don't have too much time.
Right.
Right? Because what am I gonna do?
Bridge.
That's right, I'm gonna roll over.
Right.
So I shift my hips.
Right.
You going this way.
Right.
Right? Right? You come down. Right? I bring you over. 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm looking at from here is trapped in hands. I'm trapped. See that? Look. So from here, look. I trap hands. I try. Right here, look. Right? Okay? You good? Okay? Now shoot up. Right? I'm in your guard. Go ahead. Do you want me here?
No.
No.
You're good.
Now if I'm attacking you.
Right.
Right? Do you want me there? Need to? No, come back there. Go back there. Do you want to be here? Groin. What else? Tailbone.
So.
I'm gonna need you right in that tailbone.
Right.
You shift. Oh, well, hey, smart. There we go. That's where you want me on top. You want me on the bottom. Where do you really want me on?
On your back.
Where should I really be? Counter side. There's no striking from side. This is where we want to really be. Right? Counter. Right? Stand up. I'm here.
Okay.
All right? Say Francis. I'm gonna roll. All right, I'm gonna lock here. That's the last one I want to show.
Oh, no, what is? Well, goodness gracious.
Want to see that again?
Yeah, one more time. Come on. Slow for the audience. And go in.
Give me Jack first. Here. I'm gonna face the wall again. I'm gonna come under. Here. I'm gonna drop. As I drop, I trap. Right? What else can I do?
His arm is super broke. Holy cow. His arm is super broke.
One more time.
One more time, fast pace.
This is me locking. What happens if I don't lock? It moves. It's out if I don't lock. Right? I'll show you. Without the lock. I come here. Now I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna come back up, come over, and reset from the other side. You right?
Yeah.
Is it painful?
Yeah.
Very painful?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Right?
All right, so buy the clothing. As you can tell, look at that one. Look at that one. It's pretty. Look at this one right here. This is nice. Very beautiful. Sexy. Okay. Very nice. We got definitely a lot of apparel
Every
coming our
color.
way.
Red, orange, blue, green, whatever floats your boat.
You know, I'm supposed to be wearing my red one, but I put it down because I'm getting a little hot here. But I'll show it to you. You see, this is the red sweater. You know, Universal Combat and Survival. Crusaders Universal Combat and Survival. Please like and subscribe.